Can neurodiverse love survive? You'll know in 6 minutes. Stay for secret number 1. It saves relationships daily. Autism adds unique wiring, not romance blockers. Communication gaps spark two-way misunderstandings. That's the double empathy problem. Both partners misread, both feel unseen. Secret number 5, speak directly. Autistic partners value clear words over hints. The truth? Blunt is beautiful, vague is the villain. If you're thinking, shouldn't they just pick up on hints? Flip it, clear is kind. I've learned not to dance around what I need. Say it, mean it, love grows from there. Coming up, sensory landmines. Secret number 4, sensory compromises. Quiet cafe dates beat neon clubs every time. Ever tried to connect while shouting over club music? Not a win. My best moments happen somewhere calm, soft, and cozy, because everyone's senses matter. Quick pause. Which venue feels best for you two? Comment below. There's a bonus tip pinned for you. Secret number 3, routine versus spontaneity. Plan surprises inside familiar frameworks. Spontaneous gestures feel safe when they fit a routine. So instead of, let's leave town right now, it's surprise breakfast this Saturday, your favorite spot. That's adventure minus overwhelm. Stability fuels romance. Secret number 2, misunderstanding fix. Mirror back feelings, then clarify intent. If your partner says, that hurt, I repeat, you felt hurt when I said that. Then I explain what I truly meant. It slows down misfires and builds trust. Secret number 1, passion power, support special interests. Engagement skyrockets. I cheer for my partner's deep dives and they jump in with mine. When our interests are welcomed, we both feel seen and alive. These 5 shifts transform dating stats. Marriage rates rise when communication adapts. In fact, 31% of neurodiverse couples marry when needs are met. Neurodiverse love wins with clarity, comfort, and curiosity. Subscribe for deeper dives and share your secret number 6 below.